Welcome to the Norwegian Breakaway. Today we're going to take you to the arcade and we're going to show you how to play these games and what kind of fun you can have in here even as an adult. Your ship card is what you're going to use to scan over the scanner, and that's how you pay for the game. The prices of each game will be on top of the little scanner so you know how much you're paying. There is a great selection of games here on the Norwegian Breakaway, stuff for all ages. We suggest if you have kids, you might want to go down and put a limit to how much they can spend on the card each day while they're in the game room. Otherwise it could get out of hand real quick, as some of these games are costing $5, $6, $7 or more each time you play them. Well, it looks like Robin from Sea Lake Journeys has found a game that she wants to play. It's a virtual reality game. So her and Cindy are going to play it first, and then me and Bruce are going to play it second. You're given a disposable mask that you put on before you put on the virtual reality mask. The hardest part of this virtual reality game isn't paying for it, it's trying to get that headgear on correctly. There is a screen over the participant's head so that you can watch and see what they're seeing. Watch out, girls. I think this rabbit is trying to mislead you. The chair in this game is going to move you forward, backwards, sideways, and even shake you around to make it feel like you're really there in that game with that old rabbit.
Look at that down there. We're going in! Going in! Oh, it's not so bad. We're gonna see Ariel. Woo! toilet.
Oh, you're punching us. I have to untie this side for you, TV. Oh my goodness, that was so much fun. Were
You guys have got to do this.
Were we just sitting still?
No.
Don't trust the rabbit.
Don't trust the
You
rabbit.
guys were moving back and forth.
Don't trust the
Shaking
rabbit.
like
The
that.
rabbit will lead you astray. Can y'all hear it?
No.
We couldn't hear it.
Against the headrest, you can hear him talk.
Oh.
Cut that rabbit in there.
Bye. Bye. We're not going anywhere.
Look at him hit the button. He's jumping on the button now. He's looking around.
Oh, gotta plug it in.
He looks so funny.
Oh.
Oh,
Whoa. Whoa. Holy
mama.
Wow.
What?
What? Oh.
Oh my God, this is crazy.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa. A submarine. Oh, that green
Oh,
thing.
what is that? Wow.
Oh, this is kind of cool.
This is really cool. Whoa, whoa,
man.
whoa.
Oh.
Oh, we got speed now.
Oh, we are flying, dude.
Holy smokes.
Yeah, baby. Now that's a jump right
Whoa,
there.
holy smokes. Oh.
Wow.
Wow. Oh.
Whoa.
Whoa. Oh, we got off the shackle. We're back on.
I think I soiled myself.
Now we got speed.
Oh,
wow.
Oh, knocking these rabbits out of the way.
Oh.
This can't be
Well,
good.
hi there. I got a wrap next to me.
Oh, wow. Oh my
Well,
God.
what's that?
A whale.
Holy smoke.
A lighthouse. A rabbit.
Get out of the
Get out of the
way.
way, rabbit. Get out of the way, rabbit.
Whoa.
We'll cut through. We'll cut through here, y'all.
Oh, we got some rapids. Whoa.
Whoa. Hey.
Whoa.
I need a paddle
Hey,
here.
oh, look at that. Oh,
Is that a
we got a
whirlpool?
waterfall. Here we go.
Oh, a big whirlpool, y'all. Hey, where's it going to take us?
Here we go. Look at. Woo. Oh, here we go. Oh, we're in.
Oh,
Oh,
we're underwater, dude.
we are.
Oh, we're in somebody's kitchen.
We're in the toilet.
We're in the toilet. Hey, beep, 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 beep.
Oh, wow.
He's plunging us. Is that the end?
I think that's the end. Yep, that's the end. Wow.
Was that not fun?
Oh my God. That feels as real as a roller
I
coaster.
know it did. Felt the speed and everything. That was crazy.
Right? All right, so me and Bruce from Ocean to Ocean
awesome.
just survived the rabbit, taking us around the world, down a drain, up into a toilet. I don't know where else we went.
Wow. I don't know. We went a lot. We got in places you should not go. Just saying.
Amen, brother. Okay, we got Bruce and Cindy from Ocean to Ocean Travel on the other side. Sea Lake Journey's over here on this side. It's a fun game, y'all.
This is fun.
You guys are good.
Wow. How did you get past that one?
You got it.
Are you filming this?
Yeah, I'm filming it. I think I am. Ah,
This is air hockey on stick.
I knocked it right in our own hole.
It turned off.
Oh, did it?
Who won?
We did 1,020 to 840.
Good score.
All right, so
There we go.
On this one.
We had a great time in the arcade on the Norwegian Breakaway, and we think you will too. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member. Or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.